With the gift-giving season upon us, join us today as we create really easy gift tags for beginners and pros. They're simple, easy, and fast to do. Let's go. To create these watercolor tags, I am just going to use my general watercolor paper. I'm cutting it into squares. And here it is, a little square. So you can punch a hole in the corner of these to give you your little tag to hang your ribbon on. And the first one is we're going in with a filbert paintbrush and we're going to paint some stripes. You'll see where this is going in a minute, but just creating these stripes in a sort of a square shape and then outlining the edges and putting a little bow on. And there you go, you have a little tag with a picture of a present on. You can write the words to and from, and there you go, your first card is done. Carrying on with our present theme here, for this one we're going to create some presents across the bottom of the card, and they're essentially just squares. So paint some squares and then draw a line down the middle of them to represent a ribbon and put a little bow on top and write to and from, and it's as easy as that. This card idea here is the cutest little Christmas tree triangle. It's as easy as drawing a triangle. So do your green triangle and then go in on the sides with a darker green to add some shadows. Pull it through the middle with a little decoration or a shape or whatever you're feeling in the moment. Go in with a yellow star. Once that's dry, draw a pot at the bottom and a stalk if you want. Using the black pen, add in some more dimension onto the tree. Add your to and from, and you're done. This one is the baubles. It's another really cute idea. Just do a circle at the side, leaving a little highlight piece on the one side, going darker on the edges. Once that's a little bit drier, then go into the back with another color. I freehanded these baubles, and the one in the back turned out a little bit bigger than what I thought it would turn out. It's okay, it looks good in the end. But you can do them the same size or use something round to draw around so that you can get a full circle. Once that's dry, I went in and drew rectangles for the top and the strings up to the top, outlined the baubles just to give it a little bit more, something extra. And there we go. That's it. Easy and simple. For this one, I found a lid from a Play-Doh container that was lying around, and I painted the edges haphazardly and stamped a little bit of a circle. It's really rough, and that's exactly what you want. It's not perfect, so I went in and I did another one to stamp it around to give it that little bit extra, did a little bit dimension. And there we go. Then I took a cotton bud and dipped it into the red and just pressed it down for these berries. This turned out super cool. So if you're afraid of painting circles, get out a cotton bud and stamp yourself some circles. I then also dipped the bud into some water so that I got a little bit of a lighter shade and stamped that around, and then just did the press, drag and lift type leaves. Really simple. That's it. And here we are for the next one. I just dotted out a triangle shape because I wanted to sketch in just a ribbon shaped Christmas tree, and I just wanted to know where I was going. So there we go. I just loaded the brush, dragged it down in this triangle shape, went in with a beautiful golden star at the top, using my cotton bud again to dab in some baubles. And it's that. It's so simple. A stalk here at the bottom, and there we go. The simple Christmas tree. And here are the cards. They turned out really, really well. I love them. Super simple. They're quick and easy to do. These can be done in just a few minutes, and your friends and family will have a lovely handmade card with their gift. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching this year. I have treasured every single one of your views, and I'm so glad that you are all here subscribed and watching these videos. Have a merry, merry, happy season.